Holy shnikes, Batman! Look at all those boxes we got. Oh my God, what are we called?
Hot Wheels Collectors, Hawaii.com.
You want it for laugh, huh?
I was gonna say bam. Pow.
Whop, zap. Okay, so here we are back again. Thank you. Thanks for watching. We're gonna bust all these open. Anyway, I get to crack at least one, right?
Oh yeah.
So I can feel somewhat loved.
Before it starts snowing.
Yeah, I know. It keeps falling down. Like you fixed it like 3-4 times already. Or 4-3 times or whatever you want to do it. Okay, so without further ado, we're going to be opening some of these boxes. We're going to get them out of the way so we can, we just put them in there so the thing look nuts for the picture. Now we're taking them down because, we stupid like that. So here we go, with box number 92, bro.
Yep. Box number 92.
Yep, even get the postage right there, $5.50, bro.
I was just going to say, I hope I took off all the address.
That's okay. We're going to go to the wrong house. Oh, bust the gas station again. See, here at 808, we like to break stuff that is of our own. Because it's just fun that way. We work hard, we buy them, and then we broke them.
Hey, that's what it's there for.
I know, not like them sponsored guys that they just throw stuff away. Yo, I don't want to.
Okay, so this is pretty good wrapping. So
that is. I can even see Peanuts inside. Not like the Peanuts, the cartoon characters, but actual Peanuts, the foam stuff. Or are they not called Peanuts anymore?
Packing stuff.
Materials.
Packing stuff. Oh.
Okay. Packing stuffs.
Packing stuff.
For all you people that's not from Hawaii, we cut corners and when we talk because we like to just get to the point faster. So if we can't remember the name, we just call them stuff with things. And guess what? People from the Aina, we actually understand.
Okay, so finally, oh my goodness.
So while John's taking his time trying to open this complex packaging there. Okay, there we go. We got them open.
Okay, so and more that.
Ooh, that's the treasure hunts.
Yeah, you saw it, right?
Yes, they better be cherry, man.
Oh,
I see a bent corner already. That's gonna have to be yours.
Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, you know what I forgot to do again?
What?
Turn on the lights.
There we go. Oh, better. More better.
So we can actually see this.
More better.
Yeah, look at that. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Who are these for?
Well,
one for me.
1 for you, 2 for me, and 1 for our other pal.
All right.
Whose wife watches us all the time because she's got fantastic taste.
Oh, yeah.
Thanks, Rowena. And tell your friend who work with you, watch us too, eh? Mahalo, brother.
Okay, next box.
Okay, next box.
Oh, my goodness.
Whoa, how come all the styrofoam all boss, bro?
Well, it looks like that's there purposely.
Oh, then pack them like that. I hope so.
Well, I don't like this at all. It's going to end up all over.
That's like all boss, bro.
They could have just cut it with a knife or something.
They just did them like Tetris.
No,
Pack them in there like Tetris.
pack it like crap. Oh, you know what? You know why? Because check this out. This will just out of the way.
Okay, we'll check them. We'll check them.
Right here.
It says Hot Wheels 55 Chevy panel. That's actually really nice. I haven't seen it like that. Opening back door.
Yep.
Kind of like a porn.
Remember the Reese's?
Opening back door. The Reese's Pieces. Yeah, that's right.
See him in the background.
Yeah, it's funny. It's brown too. I cracked myself up.
Out of the way.
All right.
So we'll come back. Feature that one in an opening.
That's actually really nice. I didn't even see that one before ever.
Yeah, and it's a first edition, so
yeah,
that's gonna be absolutely fun.
You're super plenty money, bro.
Whoa!
Whoa! Already jumping out.
So what is that?
Tiger.
Oh, this is Ford Ranchero.
Okay, but we have to take it out of the Protecto to check it. Grab that 18th annual collectors.
Oh yeah, it moved. Oh, I can see it.
But better be cherry. I hope you're joking around because that's a real dick move.
So, you see the brand, right?
Yeah. Well, the corner bent. Oh, I see them. Friction.
Forced in there.
All right, let's see. Let's see what it looks like. How bad is it?
Ooh.
Oh, frick.
Not bad.
You know what? That's not bad. At least I got a protector, but
let's get that in here. I know you like your cards perfect.
Yeah, but that, you know, that's not too bad. That's all right. It's not bent. It's not soft. It's not all screwed up, so that's okay.
Okay. Well, you're good. I'm good.
Yeah, I'm happy. Only thing I didn't realize was only because we got it at a good price, but does it say treasure hunt on the car? That's the only thing. I remember what you said. We take them out the package.
Yeah.
Just gonna look like one plain old car, bro.
You gotta remember that that's the treasure hunt.
Yeah.
Okay, here's the next box.
Are we in a rush? Or we're just all excited?
People know what this is.
I don't know what it is. Oh! You fricka! Yes! Yes!
Look at that.
Ooh! Silly. Check it
color
out.
of
Fuck yeah!
Yeah, look at the color in that.
Oh, snap.
I gotta get a closer look at this.
Lightning Rod Camaro.
Look at that mirror finish on that.
One thing's cool about that, comes with clear tires, no hood.
Yeah. It's kind of...
Those are sick. There'd be a murder right here on camera if that happened. Oh, that was
That is
awesome.
nice.
Hell yeah.
That's a good buy. That is a good buy.
Beautiful.
Okay, next one.
Okay.
Oh, somebody missing. Oh, how do you not? You can't even read the newspaper.
What the hell is that?
Oh. It looks like it's obituaries.
Wow.
They wrapped it in obituaries. Wow.
Oh, that's not good, bro. Wrapping up our stuff in freaking... What the hell? You and Pam with the same kind of money.
Well, it is with dead presidents.
Yeah, true. Yeah. None of them are
Oh,
alive.
look at this.
Oh,
I know you were looking for that one. Look at that.
Check that freaking chrome pig, baby.
So I think I stuck some.
What?
Since you were buying from that seller, I decided to throw in a few.
Oh, you bought some stuff too?
Yeah, so you could combine shipping. So I wanted this.
Ooh, that's actually nice too, bro.
Yeah. I like the border on that one.
That paint, wow, that paint job is actually nice.
It's really old.
You just whoring off of the guys that go off of it.
And I had to get not one, but two VW with that. One fastback,
Oh wow.
one squareback. We're gonna open that soon. Really
Wow.
soon. Really soon we're going to open that. Okay, let's make some room here. Because the big box with the snow cone irking Cheeto crap.
Okay, what is this? I see a 50. Oh.
Perfect.
Oh, there's tons of that stuff. Well, at least they packed it good.
I just bumped the second
So we
one.
cannot, like, complain because how much douche rags we had that never packed stuff good. So
Yeah, well this one came pretty fast.
so we cannot really, complain
this out
about
of
the
the way.
guys that pack them good. I'd rather have peanuts all over the place, but on cherry item, than no peanuts and on smash item. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Let's get it out.
Wait, hey, let me blow them. Oh!
Wait.
I just had nachos. You can tell.
Smell like
Oh!
fish.
Yeah, it's fish nachos, bro.
Fish nachos.
And I had my drink. It was a snatch apple
Snatcho.
snatcho.
Okay, so I guess you
Ooh.
can see why I picked up the VW. This
Oh,
is
and wrapped in saran wrap.
yeah. So they
That's
they're
a good
obviously
idea, though.
Dexter fans.
Next in the floor fan, the top there.
No, that's the serial killer.
Oh, that guy.
Evidence guy.
Oh, that guy. So this came from where?
This came from Germany.
Wow.
The most cheapest one I could find too. Okay, so start with the.
From Germany.
Let's start with card.
Is that the
number.
set?
Yep.
Wow.
Well, actually, it's the first 5 of the set. So here's card 1.
Wow.
First one being released.
That is nice.
It is 56 Chevy.
I noticed you have to tilt them back to get the number correct. Yeah.
Yeah, I almost said 57.
We like to call each other out like that sometimes.
So that's a 56 Chevy.
Not a 57 or a 55.
Up next is a 71.
A Javelin. They made a Javelin. Javelin.
Yep. So that is what, 2? Number 3.
Econoline.
Yeah, this is gonna be hard to find too.
Yeah, I don't know why
Number
everybody likes those
4.
Econolines.
Number 4. This is one of
Oh, that's a nice
really was
green.
looking for. Yeah,
Fastback.
that one came out really nice.
So that's the set then.
It's the first 5, and
Wow.
number 5 of 10.
That's going to be the biatch one to get.
This is gonna be the most hardest one to get.
The Datsun Bluebird.
You gotta get it early when it's cheaper. Okay, so that is the mail call for today.
All right, so we are done. Hit the like. Hit the subscribe. We need more friends because we're not feeling loved, man. And we are. Thank you, everybody. Mucho mahalos for watching us. Hopefully, we can put out more Ono fantastic videos that keep the imagination juices flowing and that you'll like, because we like doing them for you because we have no life. But on that note, we are
Hot Wheels Collectors Hawaii.com.
just making sure. Karen.